Hi Sagittarians, this is your November 2021 career reading. I'm going to look at the sun signs, the tropical sun signs, because your livelihood is affected by your sun sign. So your sun sign of tropical sun sign of Sagittarius, this reading is for you. People of the moon sign, they should watch their sun sign. People of the moon sign of Sagittarians, they should watch their sun signs for career reading. So this is money, career, finance reading. So let's start what's going to happen in the month of November. So I am seeing that through the Lenormand, the overall picture of this month is the key card. So some kind of solution regarding your job, money, career, or finance will be taking place. I am seeing that it's useless being obsessed by an impossible project. Change route immediately. So if some of you are pursuing something which with your subconscious, your subconscious is telling you it's not working, you must leave it. That is what angels are saying. Solution is near to hand. Maybe someone, if it is an important project and you want it to happen subconsciously, if you think so, somebody near you will give you some useful knowledge. It's the key. So it's the key and it will sort your problems. So the month is an extraordinary one regarding work, where everything seems to be magically just happening thanks to the support of useful contacts, but also your own serious preparation. You will find a more gratifying job or thrilling charge of a role. An intriguing trip can also take place. So regarding success, it is saying that you are looking for a more gratifying occupation that shows your talents. Applications and documents will be produced, will be given to someone, the employer. A bright solution is near to hand. Serious and real proposal will come to you. The support that you have not asked for from anyone will come to you from some way, divine intervention, and it will resolve your problems. That is what I see. Situation clearly improving. Protection and precious help. A work meeting will change your perspectives. That is what I am seeing. Regarding money, it is saying some expensive legal work can take place. Reimbursement will come to you. Winning financial initiatives thanks to the support of influential friends. Money well spent for happy reunions and friends and cultural excursions. Financial growth commensurate to risk. Good proceeds from commercial transactions overseas. So take it as it resonates. Let's see what's crowning you regarding your work. Eight of Swords. This means nervousness, a bit of depression, a bit of not leaving your comfort zone, being in the head. Most of you being in the head, thinking a lot, doing less. Maybe action has to be according to the logical thinking. So you are not thinking logically at this time. You are in your head regarding some shortcomings or some losses that you had in the past. So don't let it overpower you. Your mind is trying to control you. It is trying to control your openness or your talents. So don't get obsessed with things that have not happened yet. Things that you are predicting in your mind and making up stories. So you have to get out of that, get out of illusory energies of nervousness, anxiety, depression about something. So as you go forward, I want to see the past first, what was happening in your livelihood, and then come to the current and what's coming to you. So the past shows that you took a decision, you made an alteration, took up a new profession, or applied for a new job or a new business. You started a new business. It is showing great, it is giving you lot of awakening of, that you have talent, that it's showing you a future which is good. So there is a feeling that you have connected to your calling. So that this kind of energy is coming, it is looking very hopeful. So whatever you have started is looking very hopeful. So if you have started a new business, it is a very hopeful situation. If you have applied for a job, crossed it, but yet not been hired, it is showing to be hopeful. Your situation is going to take a new turn. That is what we will see as it unfolds. So in the past, something has been happening to create your 10 of Pentacles situation. So 10 of Pentacles means creating stability, creating your legacy. So you are doing that, and your 10 of Pentacles is going to be you are going to be hopefully reaching your 10 of Pentacles, that is creating something of stability. So in terms of job, this means that definitely it is coming. 3 of Wands is asking you to, Mars in Aries, this is asking you to wait, and wait with positive attitude for your things to come to you. 99% your job, your business, your launch of something new, your project is going to bear fruit. That is what angels are saying. So you are coming into the King of Wands energy. That is what I am seeing in the current situation. You are becoming leader like, you are becoming coming into control of your certain situation. You are going to be good in your livelihood situation. You will be in control. You will be showing that how much work you have put in to be here, and people will see your worth. That is what I am saying. Some of you are leaving something which was exhausting, disadvantageous for you, and a new motivation is coming to you. So some cycle is going to be completed to start a new cycle, new motivation in your job. Some of you are going through a process of judgment of your situation regarding your career. Some of you are wanting to shift professions. Some of you are wanting new beginnings. Some of you are wanting to hear the call from the angel that you need to make self improvements, change your situations, change your space, career space, and do that purging. So that purging is required, that change is required. You need to go with the new technology, new world, new things, new people. That is what angels are asking you to do. So what's coming in your future in the month of November? It is looking good. Page of Cups. So new, youthful, fresh opportunity or an energy. 2 of Cups is telling me that communications will take place regarding your work. Some association, partnership, deep partnership regarding your work can take place. Association with a new organization. For some of you, it is going to start. So breathing in of fresh air in your livelihood sector is going to take place. Something is going to inject emotional happiness in your job. And 6 of Pentacles is showing that your money situation is going to be good. So your money situation is going to be balanced, giving, taking, getting loans, having a bank balance is what I am seeing. So you are going forward as thought of in the past, that you will go towards your 10 of Pentacles. You are making progress. You are going towards 6 of Pentacles in the near future. Money comes to you, money information comes to you. It comes to you, but it is a bit slow. But substantial money gains are going to be seen in the near future. It is going to make you really stable. Some of you are grabbing a new opportunity. Some of you are becoming master of your work. Some of you are appreciated. Some of you are attracting lot of accolades. Success is going to come to you. Opportunities are going to present themselves, and you are going to grab it. Some of you are having a partner as Queen of Swords. So Queen of Wands and Queen of Swords is partnering. That is what I am seeing for people who are doing business. So air sign and fire sign combination, Sagittarius and air sign combination is taking place, or you are balancing both. So this is expertise in some field, and the Queen of Swords is problem solving, managing, and these two energies are combining in your chart in your aspect. So air sign means Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So you are going to have a sharp mind, you are going to have mastery over something, will and determination, along with a picture which is seen logically, and how logically the work is done, how properly the communication is done, how properly the marketing is done. You are going to do that. You will be definitely motivated towards it. That is what I am seeing. You will see the sparks coming to you, information coming to you, good news coming to you about new contracts. That is what I am seeing. Four of Wands is telling me that you are going to reach a situation where unity with your community, with your family, abundance is coming to you, promotion for some of you, new situation, new role, new job for some of you, celebratory time for you, and some of you are buying house, some of you are acquiring assets. That is what I am seeing. So reaping rich rewards, new benefits in your life is going to come to you, gains are going to come to you, profits are going to come to you. Very, very good month for you, my dear Sagittarians. But angels are asking you that balance. There is a need of balance in your life. There could be a lawsuit which you might lose, but ultimately it's not going to matter because your life is on track. Some of you are reversing some decision regarding your career. Some of you are not taking a job, maybe some of you are not doing that deep thinking about something, and you are rejecting something, you are rejecting some offer, you are rejecting some job as the outcome. That is what I am seeing for something else. So there is this kind of outcome. Angels are saying, however, any deception, any hidden thing, any hidden agenda in your job situation or livelihood situation will will go away. But the Seven of Swords in reverse means that sometimes you get swayed by things of your mind. You get into your mind and you think that you are doing something smart. So you might to reduce your anxiety, to reduce your agony of not getting something on time, you might reject that. That is what I am seeing. So this could be your Queen of Swords thinking. This can mean Queen of Swords thinking. So King of Cups is coming as reverse. So some of you are rejecting emotional advice from your subconscious, and you are going towards a logical solution wherein you are trying to be smarter. You are trying to think that what you are doing is correct. So this can be your attitude. So if something doesn't happen for you at this time, it could be because of you, it could be because of your logic, because of your being too much in the head. So however the situation will reveal itself, and maybe you can rectify the rejection of something on time. So take it as it resonates. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who have problems in their lives regarding something, because some of you are very anxious regarding new job, new things happening in your life, evolution happening, changes happening, judgment situation. So if you really want to contact me for a personal reading, you can contact me through the comment box. I will tell you how to book my readings. These are prepaid and pre-booked. And people who are serious, they should only come to me. Otherwise, there's no need. If your life is on track, you don't need to come to me. And people who are missing out my readings, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you. Bye bye.